I know.
I don't know if this is any better. What are you doing? Are you gonna fail?
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
It's Clayton J.
Hey, Allie.
We're back to the YouTube video. Hey, what's up, guys? So, right now it's literally 6 o'clock. 6:24, bro. 6:24. Ball. Right here's the ball. Here's the ball. Sit. Sit.
I knew it would hit me. It hit me.
Did it? Oh, shit. That's hilarious. I literally did not mean to at all. She's giving it to me. Sit. Polo, sit. Sit, Polo. Sit. Got both dogs sitting. Chuck it. Alright, play with the dogs. And we're actually making these sugar cookies. It literally says, things we'll need 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 large egg, and 1 tablespoon of water. So that many butter? Whoa, this is hot. Oh, I think it's that's damn. That's getting really hot for that. But damn, that's 8 tablespoons of butter, guys. That's a lot. But I'm gonna make it the way it tells me. So yeah, I'm gonna make some. Alright, our cookies are done. We put M&Ms in like 2 of them, just in case we wanted some M&Ms. But don't we also have a whipped cream or whatever? Is it down here?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Top. Right there. In front of you. Behind the corn.
Oh. We also got
Yeah,
this.
put it on for 30 minutes.
So we got some stuff. Yeah, we're gonna not put it on.
Should I cook those
Is it
now?
actually good?
Yeah, they're good.
Okay, yeah. We can cook the rest of them. We got a little bit more to cook. Unless you want to wait on a day or 2.
I feel like we'll eat this all the time.
Okay. She's free. We probably would. Yeah, we're just hanging out today. Not really doing that much. Nuh-uh. I mean, not really that much. I mean, it's 7 o'clock. But what we did today is we babysitted Allison's sister, Abby's baby, which he's like 2 months old.
Yeah, where's the parchment paper?
So that's what we did. In the second drawer down.
This?
Yeah.
The fuck?
I didn't know where to put it. But that's what we did today. So, yeah, that's what we did. So I didn't really want to record it because I don't know if she wants her kid on camera. You know, I don't want to put her kid on camera like that. And there's really nothing to record. It's a 2-month-old, baby. Doesn't do anything except sleep and cry. But I actually went to bed too. So pretty much did nothing today. I hope we do something soon because I want to do stuff soon. I want to go on a bike ride tonight. It's not bad. Mostly if we add, like, frosting on it, because, I mean, it tastes okay, but, like, I don't like things without frosting,
Frosting cookies.
Ellison is frosting cookies now.
Actually, you can say we, because I do think you said we. Actually, I did make the cookies. With you, I had to roll them into dough.
Yeah, I made the whole thing. All she did was roll them.
Really?
Let me have a bite.
Can you get... Okay, just do that one, because it wouldn't
I want
get...
this one.
Why? It wouldn't get on the paper. I'm going to pick my nose.
Good. Ew. This is pretty good, actually.
Thank you.
It's not bad.
I baked them.
She's doing Apple Fitness, so she just randomly dances all the time.
Wait, shit, I don't know anything.
I did it, and dude, it's actually harder than it seems. It's a good way to just get exercise. Hey, what's up, guys? So we just rode our bikes here. How far are we? Like a mile or 2 away from home?
Oh, I need to stop at 1.85.
1.85, so about 2 miles away from home.
We're not playing on this one, play.
Yeah, I wanna. Come on, let me dunk really quick.
Oh, you about hurt yourself.
Don't make fun of me because I have one shoe on, one shoe off, because I'm using my other shoe to hold up my camera.
Okay, stand on it with me.
No, I don't think I can.
Wait, that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh my. Go faster. I'm going so fast, am I?
Not really. All right, guys, we made it to a little park, you know, and it has like a little cute like obstacle course thing. So I'm gonna try it out.
Are you scared up there?
Dude, how do kids do? I think they put their feet down here, but it's just easier to climb it.
Was that hard? So far, it's sitting at 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, that's actually kind of weird. You're almost there.
I just keep looking back to see if the kids are stealing our bikes.
You're gonna have some trouble there in the middle. Right there.
Oh shit, that is weird.
God, guys, I suck. I always watch it like in person and not on the phone. What are you doing? Are you gonna fail?
Where is the other one?
There's not any until far below.
Am I getting it yet?
No, there.
Oh, that hurt my foot. I hate monkey bars because of my scars. I know they're healed, but it still feels weird.
Then I'll let you swing on the poles to get there. The three middle poles. Swing like a monkey and jump from one to another.
This pole to that pole. Oh.
But you still can't touch the ground.
I know.
I don't know if this is any better. Actually, you didn't really do that much.
Yeah.
And you won.
Okay, let me skip those.
What?
Because I hit the ground. You just gotta let a woman do what a woman's got to do.
Okay. Woman gotta do what a woman gotta do.
This is dangerous to go straight into the hanging.
Hey, you did those. And then you have to do the black dots.
The what?
The black dots.
Oh, shit.
Perfect.
And-
My turn now.
Oi! A girl can do what a girl gotta do, but a boy can't do the same thing. So you can't do that. Hey, come on, Slowpoke. You're at a minute. Dang, you hit a whole minute.
Oh, tell me.
Okay, it was at 18 seconds.
All right, and I did fall down right there in an accident.
Yeah,
But I'm just scared of the side stretching it already.
Ooh.
I don't like the side. I'm insecure of how that looks. Bad. This side looks good. This side looks bad.
Oh! Aw,
Missed it.
damn it.
All right, we
Did
catch
you
you
see
later.
it?
I saw it a little bit, yeah.
YouTube video on my phone?
Yes. So you need to send me the videos. Hey, what's up, guys? So we just found the house over there that is lighting off fireworks, and our cheap ass who don't have money because we don't have a job. No, last year we bought some, but we don't really got anyone to do it with. So last year we did it with
Who wants to park here?
right here.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't park on this road. This side. You have to park on the other side, Allison. Yeah, you can't park on the side. He's going over to their guy's house. He's not getting. Oh, we're gonna show you the fireworks.
You know that's the house. It was that way, remember?
What?
The good ones.